Hello guys, so here we are, another day. Can't believe we're nearing 50 episodes now on this. That is a little bit crazy. Over 600 subscribers, nearing 650 or something like that, I think. So yeah, wow. Appreciate it guys, thank you. So yeah, today we'll carry on with the boot floor. It's looking like along this line where they welded in the patch and it's all gone rusty because it wasn't painted and everything underneath, it's looking like there's going to be a few holes. So we've got one there, got a little bit there, and I reckon once we grind down the rest of the remaining welds here we might find some more. But we can't cut out completely up to this line because this new panel over there is not the best fit, and yeah, it's not going to happen. So, and I want to keep as much of this original panel as possible because it's going to be more the correct shape than that Magnum one is. So what I think we'll end up doing is just cutting this off nice and straight, and then clean all this up, and then we may just have to do some patches where these rotten bits are, just cut a big bit out around it, put a new bit in. Yeah, it's probably going to have to just be the way to do it, really. I say, because I'd like to keep as much of this part of the tub as possible where the spare wheel well is, because it's, you know, it's exactly the correct profile, whereas I'm quite sure from laying it on top that that one isn't. So yeah, we'll just cut this off nice and straight, and then we'll have to just do any patches beyond that point. Use some of our excessively large sheet of steel over there. So yeah, there we go. So today, I don't know how much we're going to get done, but we will start by getting rid of the remains of these horrific patches that are still in here. Bit there, bit over there, and then cut it all straight, clean up, well, I say clean up the rest of this lip, take off this layer here underneath. Not that this lip is staying because it's just completely rotten, it needs a whole new bottom of this panel. But yeah, just, you know, prepare it to get that new panel in place as best as possible. So yeah, we'll carry on with that today, see where we get to. Okay, so for the most part we've got the welds all ground off on here now. There's a couple of little bumpy bits, but we'll sort that out. So I think repair wise it needs from around this hole here, I'm just yeah, it needs from around this hole here, like that, all the way around to this hole, probably down to about there. Cutting out and replacing, because this here looks pretty thin too, so I think we'll do that now. Okay then guys, so we've got the patch welded in. It gets a bit pigeon shitty in places, and I just realised why. So my gas bottle is empty. Yeah, empty, not a drop left. So that explains a lot. So yeah, at least we've got that patch done, and I'll have to go and get some more gas in the next day or two whenever I'm heading over that way into town. So we'll go get some more of that. So yeah, we'll grind this off another day. I think I'm going to go home now. So yeah, today we've got a bit of progress done anyway, so we got all that ground off on the inside, and this patch now fitted in place. So yeah, a little less rust on the car, that's good. Alright, so thank you for watching this one guys. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.